हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं आनंद तिवारी मैगजोन के यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सभी दोस्तों का स्वागत करता हूं। देखिए दोस्तों, हम लोग ले रहे हैं करंट अफेयर की क्लास। आज के इस सेगमेंट में हैं आपके 50 क्वेश्चंस। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। हम लोग देखते हैं आज का अपना पहला क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है। पहला क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है, डॉक्टर कैथ Rowley has recently been sworn in as the Prime Minister of which country for the second consecutive year? Your option is Mexico, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, and Dominican Republic. Your correct option is C, Trinidad and Tobago. Your next question is, Gopalaswamy Kasturirangan, who has passed away recently, was associated with which sport? Your option is फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, हॉकी, गोल्फ। अभी कुछ ही समय पहले गोपालास्वामी कस्तूरीरंगन की डेथ हो गई। आपको बताना है इस क्वेश्चन में कि वे किस खेल से संबंध रखते थे। योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, क्रिकेट। योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स हैव बीन नेम्ड टू बी अवार्डेड द राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड 2020? योर ऑप्शन इज 4, 7, 2, 5। योर करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, 5। योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द एक संकल्प बुजुर्गों के नाम कैंपेनिंग हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड बाय द पुलिस ऑफ विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट फॉर द एल्डरली सिटीजन लिविंग एलोन? योर ऑप्शन इज ग्वालियर, रीवा, छतरपुर एंड इंदौर। योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, छतरपुर। Your next question is, who has been named as the new election commissioner of India to replace Ashok Lavasa? Your option is Vivek Devri, Arvind Pangadia, Rajiv Maharshi, Rajiv Kumar. Your correct option is D, Rajiv Kumar. Your next question is, who has won the World Snooker Championship 2020? Your option is Neil Robertson, Kyrene Wilson, Ronnie O'Sullivan, Mark Silvey. Your correct option is C, Ronnie O'Sullivan. Your next question is, Atanu Das has been chosen for the Arjuna Award 2020. He is related to which sports? Your option is boxing, badminton, athletes, archery. Your correct option is D, archery. Your next question is, what is the duration of second edition of National Strategy for Financial Education NSFE? Your option is 2022-25, 2019-24, 2019-25, 2021-25. Your correct option is A, 2022-2025. Your next question is, which bank has launched the initiative named Gig Opportunities? Your option is ICICI Bank, HDFC, Axis or IDBI. Your correct option is D, Axis Bank. Your next question is, name the mobile app launched by the NHAI to monitor the plantation and transplantation of trees along the highways. Your option is प्रकृति पथ, वनस्पति पथ, Parivesh Path and Harit Path. Your correct option is C. Harit Path. Your next question is, who is the author of the book One Arranged Murder? Your option is Arundhati Roy, Amish Tripathi, Bikram Seth, Chetan Bhagat. Your correct option is very famous book One Arranged Murder, written by Chetan Bhagat. Your option C is correct. The government, your next question, the government has announced that all business with turnover of up to rupees will be tax exempt. Your option is 50 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh and 40 lakh. Your correct option is C. 40 lakhs. Your next question is, which is the first bank in India to introduce the use of satellite data to access credit worthiness of farmers? Your option is ICICI Bank, HDFC, Punjab National or Yes Bank. Your option is ICICI Bank. Option A is correct. Your next question is, the Army 2020 International Military and Technical Forum has been organized in which country? Your option is United States, Russia, Germany, France. Your correct option is B. Russia. Your next question is, name the chairman of the Defense Research and Development Organization whose tenure has been extended for 2 more years till 2020. Your option is Kailash Siddhu Shivan, G. Satish Reddy, A.S. Kiran Kumar and D. Sanjay Mitra. Your option B is correct, G. Satish Reddy. Your next question is, which state has topped the 2020 Export Preparedness Index EPI? Your option is Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Gujarat. Your correct option is D. Gujarat. Your next question is, name the first ever Indian who has recently won the gold medal at the Mental Calculation World Championship 2020 of Mind Sports Olympiad MSO. अभी हाल ही में जीता है इन्होंने गोल्ड मेडल, जो है बौद्धिक क्षमताओं के लिए। कंप्यूटर से भी तेज़ दिमाग काम करता है इनका। तो आपको बताना है, देन योर ऑप्शन इज अरविंद परमेश्वर लोखंडे, नीलकंठ भानुप्रकाश, बिपिन राठौर, अमृता सचित मेहता। योर ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, नीलकंठ भानु प्रकाश। योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of the SBI Mutual Funds? Your option is इम्तियाजुर रहमान, मनीष मेहता, निमेश शाह, विनय तोनसे। Your correct option is D. विनय तोनसे। Your next question is, Indian Railways has installed its first ever Bagad stations and wrapping machine at which of these railway stations? Hyderabad, Indore, New Delhi, Ahmedabad. Your right answer is C. Ahmedabad. Your next question is, what is the theme of World Water Week 2020? Your option A is correct, water and climate change ratio acceleration action. Your next question is, which literary work has been awarded the International Booker Prize 2020? Your option A is correct, The Discomfort of Evening. Your next question is, the IIT's Alumni Council has signed an agreement with which country to develop world's largest and fastest hybrid quantum computer in India? Your option is United States, German, France, Russia. Your option D is correct, Russia. Your next question is, name the 24 into 7 mental health rehabilitation helpline number service launched by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Your option is Man, Prayatna, Kiran, Sheva. Your option C, Kiran, is correct. Your next question is, the NRI Unified Portal has been launched by which state for overseas Indian and NRI residents of the state to provide them assistance during the time of needs? Your option is Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. Your option C is correct, Uttar Pradesh. Your next question is, the Baron brothers have recently announced their retirement from which professional game? Your option is golf, tennis, badminton, archery. Your option B is correct, tennis. Your next question is, name the Prime Minister of Japan who has resigned from the post due to poor health. Your option is Shinzo Abe, Yoshihiro Noda, Yukio Hotoyama, Hitoshi Asida. Your option A is correct, Shinzo Abe. Your next question, National Sports Day is celebrated in India to mark the birth anniversary of which legendary player? Your option is Milkha Singh, Balbir Singh, Major Dhyan Chand, Dhananjay Pillai. Your option C is correct, Major Dhyan Chand. Your next question is, which among the given universities has been conferred with Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Makkah Trophy 2019? Your option D is correct, Punjab University. Your next question is, which financial institution will help Assam government for funding the first ever skill university of Northeast region to be set up in Drang district of Assam? Your option is Asian Development Bank, World Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank and New Development Bank. Your option A, Asian Development Bank, is correct. Your option A. Your next question, Assam government has signed an MOU with which country to set up the skill university in the state? Your option is Singapore, Germany, Japan and Russia. Your option A, Singapore, is correct. Your next question is, name the top ranking Indian company in the Rabobank's global top 20 dairy companies list. Your option is Amul, Mother Dairy, Namaste India Quality Limited. Your option A is correct, Amul. Your next question is which player has won the F1 Belgian Grand Prix 2020? Your option D. Lewis Hamilton is correct. Your next question which team has won the 2020 FA Community Shield? Your option is Manchester United, Liverpool, Arsenal, Juventus. Your option C. Arsenal is correct. Your next question the mobile app Pension Corner has been launched by which organization for its retired personals? Your option is BSF, Intelligence Bureau, Indian Coast Guard, and CISF. Your correct option is D. CISF. Your next question is India has recently been declared as the joint winner with which country in the Maidenfied Online Chess Olympiad? Where your option is Russia, Belgium, France, Poland. Your correct option is A. Russia. Your next question is which among the following companies has announced to acquire the Kishore Biani's future retail business? Your option is Future Enterprises Limited, एवेन्यू सुपर मार्ट्स लिमिटेड जिसको आप डी मार्ट के नाम से भी जानते हैं, रिलायंस रिटेल वेंचर्स लिमिटेड, शॉपर्स स्टॉप लिमिटेड. योर ऑप्शन सी रिलायंस रिटेल वेंचर्स लिमिटेड इज करेक्ट. Your next question Chadwick Boseman, a renowned actor, has passed away. He was known for playing the role of which Marvel superhero? Captain America, Hulk, Black Panther, Iron Man. Your option C Black Panther is correct. Which company has topped the RoboBank's global top 20 dairy companies? Your option is Fonterra, Nestle, Unilever and Lactalis. Your option B Nestle is correct. Your next question which month of the year has been announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to be observed as Nutrition Month? Your option is December, October, September and November. Your option C September is correct. Your next question is which country has launched an agri-commodity trading and sourcing e-market platform Agrotia to bridge the gap between its food industry and rural farmers in India? Your option is Russia, Netherlands, Japan, UAE. Your option D UAE is correct. Your next question who has been elected as the new chairman of the Press Trust of India to replace Vijay Kumar Chopra? Your option is Vineet Jain, Avik Sarkar, Mahendra Mohan Gupta, KN Sant Kumar. Your option B Avik Sarkar is correct. Your next question which of the following institute has developed the world's largest solar tree? Your option is IISc Bengaluru, CSIR, CMERI, IIT Bombay and IIT Delhi. Your option B CSIR, CMER. is correct. Your next question. Union Cabinet has approved Mission Karmyogi, which is a capacity building program for which category of individuals? Your option is bank employees, self help groups, farmers, civil servants. Your option D is correct, civil servants. Your next question. Air scanner is an AI based reading assistant and document scanner app launched by the students of which institute? Your option is IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi. Your option B, IIT Bombay, is correct. Your next question is Mustafa Adib has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Your option is Finland, Lebanon, Venezuela, Morocco. Your option B, Lebanon, is correct. Your next question. Who has been appointed as the new CMD of Hindustan Shipyard Limited? Your option is Binay Kumar Das, MB Rajsekhar, Rajendra Prasad Singh, Hemant Khatri. Your option D, Hemant Khatri, is correct. Hemant Khatri is appointed as the new CMD of Hindustan Shipyards Limited. Your next question is what is the rank of India in the Global Innovation Index 2020? Your option is 59, 48, 32 and 21. Your option B, 41, is correct. 48 is correct. Your next question. Who has been appointed as the first ever Chief Executive Officer CEO of the Railway Board? Your option is Arun Pratap Maurya, VK Yadav, Sasank Singh Vishat, and D is Jyoti Das. Your option B, BK Yadav. BK Yadav is correct. Your next question. Which city of India is set to get the country's first regional voters awareness center by the Election Commission of India? Your option is Amritsar, Gurgaon, Jaipur and Indore. Your option B, Gurgaon, is correct. Your next question. Which country has topped the Global Innovation Index 2020? Your option is Norway, Finland, Netherlands, Switzerland. Your option D, Switzerland, is correct. Your option D, Switzerland, is correct. देन गाइस वीडियो कैसी लगी आपको? आप लोग अपना रिव्यू ज़रूर बताएं हमको. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो you can like this. For any query you can comment on this video link. Thank you.